like us, to make our appetites more keen. With eager compounds, we are palate urge, as to prevent our maladies unseen. We sicken to shun sickness when we purge, even so, being full of your near crying sweetness. To bitter sauces did I frame my feeding, and sick of welfare found a kind of neatness. To the diseased earth there was true kneading, thus policy in love to anticipate the ills that were not good to false assured, and brought to medicine a helpful state, which rank of goodness would by ill be cured. But thence I learned and find the lesson too, drugs poison him that so fell sick of you.